Hi there, Heather Clontmaker with At Home Realty here. And for those of you that know me, you know I love good design. So this week we are going to talk about the top 4 things that you can improve upon in your home that's going to give you the maximum return on investment when you go to sell. So for today, we are going to talk all things bathroom. So you guys have probably heard the saying, bathrooms and kitchens sell houses. Well, I am here to tell you it's true. When I go into homes with buyers, the bathrooms are some of the first areas people comment about, man, I wish this was upgraded. So when we talk about making upgrades, we are not talking about going Taj Mahal here. It does not have to look overly fancy unless you live in a really fancy house. What you need to do is focus on quality. So changing out toilets, updating fixtures, some of those outdated things. Maybe you have Pepto-Bismol pink tile. I do. So looking at your bathroom, evaluate and fix the things that you would notice when you go into a home to buy it. Tomorrow we'll be back here with another great tip.